How to buy KEK, the Kekistan token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please learn our research. Now, as you can see, this token is on X account. Go and check their account. Now, after that, go and open your DEX screener. It's available there. If you don't have an account, just go and open it. Now, as you can see, this token, as you can see in the liquidity, this token is 99% of liquidity are locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy it, make sure that this, or remember that this token is under Ethereum network. Now go and copy the token address, and I will use for this the Bitget wallet. Now go and click on your wallet. Now select the Ethereum from here as a network. Now click on plus icon and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Make sure to read that warning, and if you are ready to go, just click on confirm, and now click on plus icon. Now go back and find the token from here. So this is it. Click on it, and here click on swap as you can see. Now switch it from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Just click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the KEK Kekistan token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.